Fragrance is not a perfume, it's how you layer it. Hi, I'm Yasser from Maliksen, and today's video is going to be very exciting. Why? Because I just received this package from Laverne, which is a perfume brand based in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And basically, I've ordered 3 perfumes, but let's just see how they sent you. So essentially, this is a gift bag, something like that. They have this thank you note or a card, and here you can see 3 perfumes. I'm not going to review all of them today, but and yes, there is one more thing, which is they send you testers so that if you don't like your perfume before you open it, so you can send them back, which is really nice actually, because many a times when we open a perfume, especially when we buy online, what happens is that we just sometimes we don't like it and we want to send it back, and there is no way. So this is good on their part. It's a good idea to give testers so that people can try before they actually open it. So the one is Gentle by Laverne, which is this one. Gentle by Laverne. The other two actually are Midnight Ocean and Fearless. So these two I'm going to be reviewing later, but today's video is for the star of the show, Gentle. Why is this the star of the show? Because this is a new release by Laverne, number 1. It's composed by or formulated by Jodi Fernandez, which is a master perfumer, and we'll just open it to see how it looks and what it is all about. So we have to be a little patient because I don't have any tool right now to open it. Just I'm using my nails, which are not big enough. Yes, finally I managed to open it. So let's see. Okay, guys, this is the packaging without that thin film, and it's a pretty straight packaging. Nothing extravaganza, no bells and whistles here. But we don't need those bells and whistles because we have this. Yes, it's really a good looking bottle actually. You can see from, and let's see how it performs. The cap of the bottle is really nice. It's sturdy, and I guess it has magnetic in it. Yes, so it's a magnetic bottle cap. Anyways, let's try this. I hope it's better because I have not checked the tester. For you, to show you the bottle, I straight away opened the bottle, and I also wanted you to see how the atomizer performs. So yeah, let's see. So wow, it's powerful. Yeah, I can smell oud here, fresh oud. It's not like, you know, the hot heavy oud which we know, which is animalic. It's not like that. It's very fresh. It has some cypresses. It has oud and cypresses very prominent in the opening. As far as the other notes are concerned, obviously it has to settle down for me to experience those notes, but for your information, it has Lily of the Valley, and there is one more, if I'm not wrong. It's Lily of the Valley, raspberry, and the base it has musk and leather. So straightforward notes, not too complicated anything. Yeah, it has very heavy projection, guys. It's, you know, filling up. I feel it's filling up my room now. Yeah, it's really great. The bottle is good. As far as the performance of this one, the opening is very loud. The projection is very high. I just did one spray, as you saw. So if I'm just imagining if I do 4-5 sprays, what would happen? So as far as the opening is concerned and the first impression, I think it's going to last very long. But this brand says this is a long-lasting perfume because it's an eau de perfume concentration. And yes, there is a website, Fragrantica. You can go there and read about this. There is hardly one review of somebody because it's a new release. And that person wrote there that the longevity is, the performance of this perfume is phenomenal until the next day. So I will see till tomorrow, not even till tomorrow, maybe till the evening. It's 11 a.m. here. So I'll see till evening what would happen with this one spray. I'm not going to wash my hand or something. So yeah, this is available now on their official website. They have really good offer on this one. You can buy these 3 like I did in the same price or as one perfume, or you can have this one perfume with a very nice leather pouch. I didn't order a leather pouch because I'm buying perfume from perfume shop, not on a perfume shop. I would like to buy perfume. I don't like to buy leather bags from a perfume shop. So yeah, that's it. So this is it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this, and if you are excited about those other 2 which I have ordered. I'm sure those 2 are also really must be. They have to be good because this brand is really new, and they are working really hard to establish their name. So, you know, initially when every perfume brand, they try to establish their name, they make really good products. So while wearing this, what kind of a man should wear this? A man who's rugged, the man who is not too formal. He hasn't been, what you can say, in an easy corner, has a rough life, rough living, something like this Jason Momoa, okay, this rugged, confident, stylish, suave character who is a little wild, a little funny, could be dangerous, confident, a man who is full of himself, who doesn't care about the world or the opinion of the people in the world. That kind of a man should wear this perfume, because this is the first impression I got, at least from this first spray. So yeah, this is it. Remember, whenever you wear perfume, as I told you before in my previous videos, you should know how to layer them. There is a brief video in which I told you how to layer the perfume. And also, don't just pick up a bottle and spray on yourself before you are going out. You need to have that intention, that why you are wearing, if you are wearing some perfume, why you are wearing it. So there should be some intention behind it. So that's it, guys, for today. Thank you. See you in my next video.